This is the Excavator model. And as you can see, there's some red spots on the screen there. And when you click those, there's actions. Here the arm extends. On this one, we've changed to a crusher arm, which is used for demolition rather than a digging bucket. You can also see there's a safety cage that went in front of the driver's compartment here. You can open the door, go in. Change back to the digging bucket. You can open a panel. And there's a function button where you can turn off the sheet metal basically, so you can see through and see all the mechanics underneath it. You can change the drive system. And in this configuration, it has quite a bit of ground clearance.